Today, I want to talk about the 5 videos that every real estate agent should record right now. That is for short form or long form, so let's jump into it. Number 1 is property tours. Whether you are a new agent or a seasoned agent, it's always great to get out and look at homes. Thanks to HGTV, people love to tour a home. One thing that I do is I always go out and I'll find a home on the MLS that is nicely staged, or new construction is always nicely staged. So that's a great place to start. If you have a listing is always a great property to showcase because it's your listing. As well as cost comparison, showing a home. This is what you get for $500,000 in this neighborhood, as well as $500,000 in this neighborhood. And I always love those videos because it shows me when you're closer to the city, you don't get as much as usually when you're out in the suburbs. And people that are not in your area or your followers on social media may not realize what you get in the city versus what you get in the suburbs. So property tours are a great way to start. And one thing I did as a new agent, when I did not have listings, I would go out and look at houses. I know they say fake it till you make it. I think I faked it until I made it. Did I make it? Have I made it yet? Have I made it? That's not sure if I've even made it. But getting out and looking at homes is a great way. I never look at homes where people live there. It's either homes that are staged or new construction. Property tours is a video that you should create today. Today. Okay, so let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is neighborhood tours. Everyone loves to see neighborhoods. Sometimes I'll just pop my phone out the window and I'll just showcase a neighborhood. And that's something you can do for short form or long form videos. Drive around the neighborhood, pop into a coffee shop, showcase the neighborhood if it's your neighborhood or a neighborhood that you love selling in. Neighborhood tours is another video that you should be filming, and you can just loop that right on in with your property tours. Property tours, and when you're looking at the property, you just go around the neighborhood and showcase that. And look, you got 2 videos in one. So neighborhood, property tours. So number 3, let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is lifestyle videos. So lifestyle videos are anything that you are doing around your city that you love to do. I am a member of the High Museum here in Atlanta, so I love to showcase that. We have a super cute area in Buckhead that is shopping. I love to showcase that, as well as I love interior design. So I'll go around and see the decorated show house, or I'll go down to our mart to look at furniture. And I love to showcase that because all of these things are related to buyers and sellers, and people love, thanks to HGTV, people love interior design, people love homes. People love to look at those kind of things, as well as your lifestyle and the things that you enjoy. Your followers love lifestyle videos. That is another video that you should be creating today, is lifestyle videos. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is show us your city. We want to see the top restaurants, beaches if you live in a beach community. I basically live in nature here in Atlanta, so I love to go on a nice hike or show a beautiful waterfall. These are all the things that you can showcase in your area that is right outside of your back door. And followers, as well as people that are not in your community, would love to know about. If you have festivals in your area that you enjoy, we just had an oyster festival, as well as I'm sure there's tons of beer festivals or vintage shopping, those type of things. Show us your city, and those things are happening every weekend. You could just Google things to do in my city this weekend, go out and film some content. And that's another video that you could easily record. It's just showing us your city. So let's move on to the last one, number 5. Number 5 is you could create a top list, and that could be the top 2 coffee shops or the top 3 dog parks, any of the top 2 or 3, maybe even 4 or 5 things in your city. You could also showcase the best neighborhood or communities and showcase maybe the top stores that are close by, if there's international markets or regular grocery stores or parks or dog parks or family-friendly communities. So a top list is the 5th video that you should be making, and that could go on and on and on. Actually, any of these topics, you could come up with tons of video ideas to create content. So those are the 5 top videos that you should be creating today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful and you get out there and create some video content. I know creating video for a lot of my agents and agents that I work with is a little scary, but we have to get out there and get our faces in front of the camera so that we could connect with our followers as well as buyers and sellers that are looking for us on the internet. And if you would love to grab my social media starter pack, I have tons of video ideas in there, as well as lots of things that you can use for your social media. Leave a comment below and I will make sure to get it over to you. And for some reason, I always forget to ask you guys to like this video and subscribe. I would love for you to stay connected. If you're a real estate agent or you're thinking about getting your real estate license and you like video content like this, please like this video and subscribe because I have tons and tons of more videos to help you scale your real estate business and your personal brand. So again, I am Cher Allen and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, bye you guys.